What if I told you that in just a few years, artificial intelligence could make you better at managing your money than the smartest financial advisor alive today? Sounds crazy, right? But what if I also told you that if you don't understand how AI is changing personal finance right now, you might end up falling behind? Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how AI is transforming the way we save, earn, invest, and even pay taxes, and what you need to do today to take advantage of it. Number 1. Your money now has a brain. Let's start with budgeting. Imagine you open an app on your phone, and instead of staring at confusing spreadsheets, it just tells you, hey, based on your income and bills, you can safely spend $50 on eating out this week and still save for your emergency fund. That's AI at work. AI-powered apps like Clio and NAB with AI add-ons, or even your bank's chatbot now analyze your spending habits and predict where your money is going. For example, if you always overspend on coffee runs, the AI might say, "You've already spent $60 on coffee this month. Want me to help you cut back?" It's like having a little voice in your pocket that learns about you and helps you make smarter decisions, without judgment. And here's the kicker. It keeps learning, just like a human brain, but faster. Number 2. Investing smarter. No crystal ball needed. You might think investing is only for rich people or math geniuses. But AI is destroying that barrier. Take robo-advisors like Betterment or Wealthfront. They use artificial intelligence to figure out your goals, like saving for retirement or buying a house, and automatically invest your money in stocks and bonds that fit your risk level. You don't need to know how the stock market works. The AI adjusts your investments as markets go up and down, and it even rebalances your portfolio if one area starts to lag behind. For example, if stocks fall but bonds rise, the AI might sell some bonds and buy more stocks to keep your balance. It's like having a Wall Street analyst working 24 hours a day for you, and it costs a fraction of what human advisors charge. One study found that people who use robo-advisors often save thousands of dollars in fees over 10 years compared to traditional advisors. That's thousands you can keep growing instead of paying away. Number 3. Catch fraud before it catches you. This part might surprise you. AI is protecting your money even when you don't see it. Ever get a text saying, "Suspicious transaction detected. Did you just buy something for $500 at a gas station 2 states away?" That's AI. Banks and credit card companies now use AI to detect weird patterns in your spending and block fraudulent charges instantly. For example, if you've never bought a plane ticket in your life and suddenly someone tries to book one with your card, AI will flag it. In fact, Visa says their AI stopped more than $25 billion in fraud in just 1 year. It's like having a personal bodyguard for your wallet. Number 4. AI tax help. Without the headache, let's talk taxes. For beginners, doing your taxes can feel like trying to read a foreign language. But now, tools like TurboTax's AI assistant can ask you questions in plain English and help you file your taxes step by step. For example, it might say, "Did you move last year?" You could qualify for a moving expense deduction. It's smart enough to catch credits and deductions you might miss. And because it keeps learning, it improves every year. So you keep more of your money legally and stress-free. That's less time worrying about forms and more time focusing on your goals. Number 5. Making sense of your credit score. Your credit score controls so much: what you pay for loans, if you get approved for a mortgage, even your car insurance rate. But it's confusing, right? Now, apps like Credit Karma use AI to break it down. They'll tell you, if you pay down this credit card by $300, your score could rise by 15 points. It can even simulate what happens if you open a new account or close an old one. It takes the mystery out of your score and gives you clear steps to improve it. And a higher score could save you thousands in interest over time. Number 6. AI as your personal financial coach. Here's where it gets exciting. AI isn't just for big companies or fancy apps anymore. Some startups now offer personalized coaching through chatbots. For example, you can text something like, "Can I afford to take a vacation next month?" And it'll crunch your numbers and tell you. Or say, "I want to save $5,000 in a year. How much should I set aside weekly?" And it'll give you a plan. It's like having your own private money coach who knows your habits and doesn't charge by the hour. People say it even feels like talking to a friend. Only this friend knows how compound interest works. Number 7. The rise of AI-driven side hustles. This is one you might not expect. AI can actually help you earn more money. For example, tools like ChatGPT can help you write better resumes, create freelance proposals, or even help you draft emails to pitch clients. Or you could use AI to launch your own online business. It can write product descriptions, design logos, and even suggest what to sell based on market trends. One young woman used AI to start an Etsy shop selling digital planners. The AI helped her design them, and now she makes an extra $500 a month on the side. It's opening up doors for people who never thought they could run a business. Number 8. Personalized financial education. Here's the secret sauce most people miss. Learning about money can feel overwhelming, but AI is making it easier by tailoring lessons to you. Apps now offer quizzes and videos that adjust based on what you already know. If you struggle with budgeting, it'll focus on that. If you're ready to learn about investing, it'll move you forward. One study found that people who used AI-based learning apps improved their financial literacy scores by over 20% in just a few weeks. It's like having a teacher who always meets you where you are. Number 9. What comes next? Now here's the question everyone's dying to know. What's next? Experts say we're just getting started. In the next few years, AI could negotiate better deals for you automatically. It might switch your insurance policy to a cheaper one without you even asking. It could even help you plan your entire retirement, finding tax-free accounts and investments that fit your exact needs. Some even believe you're a money brain. AI could live on your phone, watching out for you 24 hours a day. The real question is, will you be ready to use it when it's here? Number 10. Smarter shopping and saving. Have you ever walked out of a store and then seen the same thing online for cheaper? AI is changing that too. Apps like Honey and Capital One Shopping use AI to scan the internet for coupon codes or better prices while you shop online. For example, you're buying sneakers for $120. At checkout, the AI automatically applies a coupon and saves you $20. No work on your part. Some even watch price trends and tell you when to buy. One mom shared how she saved over $500 during the holidays just by letting her browser extension work in the background. It's like having a bargain hunter sitting on your shoulder. Number 11. Automating your bills and savings. Missing a payment hurts your credit score and costs you in late fees. AI is fixing that. Modern banking apps now use AI to learn your payment habits and automate them. For example, it sees that your electricity bill is due on the 10th and your paycheck usually hits on the 5th, so it schedules the payment automatically. No stress, no late fees. It can also hide money from you by moving small amounts into savings without you noticing. Apps like Digit or Capital round up your purchases and tuck away the spare change. One user said she saved over $1,000 in a year just from these little AI-powered transfers she didn't even feel. Number 12. Predicting your future. This is where AI starts to feel like magic. Some platforms now use predictive analytics to show you what your financial future could look like. For example, you input your current income, expenses, and savings, and it projects. If you keep this up, you could retire with $750,000 by age 65, or it warns you. If you keep overspending, you'll be out of money in 3 months. This can be a wake-up call, and it gives you time to course correct before it's too late. Think of it as a crystal ball for your wallet, showing you the best and worst-case scenarios. Number 13. Helping you get out of debt. Debt can feel like a mountain you'll never climb, but AI is here to help. Apps like Tally or Undebt that use AI to analyze your debts, credit cards, student loans, car loans, and build a custom repayment plan. For example, it might say, pay $100 more on this card first, then tackle the next one. Some even negotiate lower interest rates on your behalf or automate the snowball method for you. People have shared stories of paying off thousands in credit card debt faster than they thought possible, with AI guiding them step by step. Number 14. Fighting emotional spending. Let's be honest, sometimes we buy things just because we feel sad, bored, or stressed. AI is starting to recognize that. New apps can now track your mood based on your spending patterns. For example, if you usually splurge on clothes after a bad day at work, it might gently ask, are you sure about this purchase? You've already spent $150 on shopping this month. It's like a little voice reminding you of your goals before you act impulsively. One woman shared how she cut her emotional spending in half just because her app helped her pause and think. Sometimes, all we need is that nudge. Number 15. Leveling the playing field. Here's the bigger story. For years, financial knowledge and smart money management were privileges of the wealthy. Rich people had access to accountants, advisors, and lawyers. But AI is bringing those tools to everyone, even beginners. You don't need a six-figure salary to have a money coach or an investment planner anymore. All you need is your phone and the willingness to use it. That's the real power of AI, giving everyday people the same advantages once reserved for the elite. AI in personal finance is more than just a buzzword. It's quietly rewriting the rules of money. It's helping people spend smarter, save more, earn more, and sleep better at night knowing their money is working for them. You don't have to be a tech genius to start. You just have to take one small step. And now I'm curious, if AI could solve just one money problem for you, what would you want it to fix? Let me know in the comments below.